there is only one race, the human race. The Bible does not explicitly address where our different skin tones or races come from. It's possible that when God confused the languages at the Tower of Babel, that he also created racial diversity. It is also possible that God made genetic changes to humanity to help different groups adapt to different ecologies. For example, skin naturally rich in melanin equips people living in areas with intense sunlight to be better protected from ultraviolet rays. It has been theorized that Adam and Eve possessed the genes to produce black, brown, and white offspring, similar to how a mixed-race couple produce offspring of varying color. The different languages came into existence at the Tower of Babel. Groups that spoke one language moved away with others who spoke that same language. When this occurred, the gene pool for a specific group would drop dramatically as the group no longer had the entire human population to mix with. As time went on and closer relations took place, certain features would become emphasized in different groups. As this occurred across the generations, the gene pool would grow smaller and smaller. As a result, people of one language family would begin to share the same or similar features. Since God obviously desired humanity to be diverse in appearance, it makes sense that God would have given Adam and Eve and their offspring the ability to produce children of different skin tones. The original created couple would have possessed genes to produce every shade of offspring. Years later, the only survivors of the flood were Noah and his wife, their 3 sons, and their wives, a total of 8 people. Perhaps Noah's daughters-in-law were of different races. It is also possible that Noah's wife was a different race than Noah. Maybe all 8 of them were of a mixed race, which would mean they possess the genetics to produce children of different races. God loves and cares for all people, regardless of their skin color, and he expects his followers to do the same. Though we cannot say with a biblical certainty the mechanism God used to create different racial features, there is no question that we were all created for the same purpose, to glorify him.